Alright, I'm going to showcase my Nearpod that I made. It's a self-paced lesson. So what will happen is I can have Nearpod posted, and students will have to put in their code, right? So for instance, I would have a Canvas assignment that says Nearpod 1 or whatever. They'd have to put in the code that's on that Canvas assignment. They'd hit join. And then it's self-paced, so they don't have to be doing it at the same time with the whole class. Okay, so what would happen is they have to put their name, right, to get credit. If they go by something else, hit join. Okay, so then it takes them to the Canvas or the Google Slides. Okay, and then as they go through the information, okay, so varying amounts of money. Make a list of jobs where you get paid varying amounts from month to month. Okay, so maybe I'd put like, oh, Uber driver, taxi driver, a waiter, right? Whatever jobs, right? And then they'd hit post. Okay, so then people will be able to see that, or other students will be able to see that. So as they go through this, they'll be able to gather knowledge from other students who are posting. Okay, so then they go to the next thing, which says, open-ended question, what kind of challenges do these job procedures, let's see, what kind of challenges do these job procedures when you or produce when trying to create a budget? Okay, so it's hard to know how much money you have. Okay, so then they post that. Apparently I've got to do that. Move myself. Okay, oh, now they get to read through this. Set amount limits, percentage of income. Okay, cool. Oh, there's a quiz. Oh no, I wasn't paying attention. And go back. Oh, okay. So then they have to answer the question. Which of the following jobs? Oh, okay. Seller to zookeeper. Whichever one they hit submit, then it tells them if they're right or wrong. Oh, dang it, I was incorrect. Okay. So then that way they automatically they figure out, oh, waiter's the one that was correct. Okay, envelope budget. So then they do that. They're going through the PowerPoint. I try to break it up so it's not just straight PowerPoint stuff. Like now they have to watch a movie. And with each, as they get through, it actually has them have to do a, what do you think the envelope system is? And they have to submit. Okay, so then they're able to move through the entire video and answer all these questions. Okay, so that's actually really fun because you're mixing it up. Okay, create envelope budget. They're going through, learning some information. Oh, there's a quiz with 3 questions. Okay, so then they have to like figure out, right, they're reading the questions, submitting, and then they're able to see what scores they got. Oh, I got 100% correct. That was an accident. It's impressive. Okay, and then, yeah, again, they're going through this, learning some stuff. Then I have it broken up a little bit. Envelope categories. What envelope categories do you think Mr. Cornea has? Hint, there are 12. Right, so now they get a guess and kind of have fun with it and which categories they think I have. Again, trying to get everyone to kind of play off each other and make it so that it's a little bit different. And then I just put a fun thing in here called sway, right, so they can like move around. Yeah, there we go. Like they can move to different places. It's kind of like Google Maps, I think. Although I don't know how this works. Maybe I'll check that out. I might replace that, but okay. And then they go through just kind of breaking things up. Okay, and then they're done, right? So then they could start over if they wanted, but it'll give me a report that this student went through this. These are the answers they missed, etc. Okay, so pretty solid. So that's my project 2 for my digital learning experience I created for some students.